Welcome to all. The next session, what I am going to talk to you about, that is called what is meant by vector and raster images. Photoshop is a raster image. Raster image is I am coming back to Photoshop. Okay, welcome back. So, what I am going to discuss today, this is a vector-based, raster-based image. Once you zoom it, you can see only the pixels. All the informations are pixels. That's why this is a raster image. So, I am going to zoom out. Control minus, you can zoom out the look. And what exactly Photoshop is saying, all the informations are generating from these pixels. So what I'm going to do means I'm selecting the marquee tool. I selected this face, Control X and Control V. I keep it the same place. So now window layers. What I am going to do, I am going to duplicate the layer. Okay. So you can see here two layers are here. So now what I am going to do, I am going to select Control T. You can select the image and reducing it and press enter. You can see the pixels on this image. So now whatever the information, that informations are deleted from this. Now I am going Control T, same, increasing it the same size. Press enter. Now what I am going to do is I am moving this here. I am opening the same image here. Now I don't want to you want to do this, but what I want to show you, once you reduce the size of the image, then you are increasing the size of the image. Quality of the image will be lost. So you don't want to repeat this exercise again, but I am not done for this tutorial for that. I am just explaining only one thing to you. Once you reduce the size of the image, then again you increase, the quality loss will be there. Why is a quality loss? I will explain again about that. See, all the informations are here on pixels. So what they will do when they are increasing, they are taking the information from the surrounding pixels, they are increasing, and that way they are increasing the size of the image. So quality loss will be very less. When you reducing, all the information is deleted. The same way, 8 pixel around they converted to 1 pixel, 16 pixel may they change to 1 pixel. So that time they are reducing the information of an image. If you are reducing the information of image, then the image loss will be there, the clarity loss will be there. So we need to understand one thing about that. Once you reduce, then again you should not increase the size of the image. That is a one basic theory you need to understand about the Photoshop. Most of the people will take the features, they will not explain these things. Then this is a one of the important thing you need to understand about the image editing. So what you learn this video, that is means all the informations in Photoshop is based on the pixels. When you reduce the image, pixels will be deleted. When you increase the size, pixels will be added from the information available on the image. So anyway, reducing and increasing the size of the images, some quality loss will be there, but major quality loss will come. You reduce the image, then increase it. So that is a one major thing you need to understand from this video. The step by step process we will understand later.